Hey there, art enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about turning your textured art hobby into a part-time job. Let's dive right in. Embracing your passion for textured art can be a fulfilling and rewarding experience. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, there's always room to explore and share your creativity with the world. To kickstart your journey, consider participating in local art shows or online marketplaces. This is a great way to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. You can also create a website or social media page to showcase your art and engage with your audience. Remember, the key to success is consistency and quality. Keep practicing, experimenting, and sharing your work. You never know who might be inspired by your art or where it might lead you. So go ahead and turn your textured art hobby into a part-time job. Embrace the journey, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow artists. Until next time, keep creating and sharing your passion with the world.
Thank you.